Referral source refers to how the patients got to know about the clinic, not the medical referrals. To manage these referral sources, go to the admin page. Click Details. Click Add/Edit Referral Sources. Referral sources will be listed in the registration page and can be used to track how the patients got to know about the clinic. Let's try saving Facebook as a referral source. Type in Facebook. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete referral source, click A to list all saved referral sources, or search by name. Select the referral source from the drop-down list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save, or Del to delete. Let's see how you can track patients by referral sources. Go to the registration page. This is the list of referral sources you have saved. You can select the referral sources for the patient being registered here. The patients can be filtered by referral sources in the patient registry, available at the bottom right of the registration page. Select the referral source you would like to filter by. Let's select Facebook as example. Select the period this year. Click Filter to list in only patients with Facebook as referral source. Now only patients that have Facebook as referral source are listed. That's it. You're done.